Hi, everyone, and welcome to SQM Thumbs Up. I'm David Lipton. In addition to the organizations which we feature in our popular SQM Picks interviews, we would also like to highlight a number of other companies which we've been unable to interview for a variety of reasons, but are still worthy of a shout out. Our feature company today is Northwest Collision Centre. Northwest Collision Centre is located on Roselawn Avenue, east of Dufferin. No, the company doesn't sell collisions, but they are a fantastic auto body shop that's been around for years. Whether it's a fender bender, a scratch on your door, or weather-related damage, John and his team of experienced technicians will do a great job repairing your car and getting you back on the road as quickly as possible. In addition to their great repair work, the business is known for outstanding service, including being available after hours and helping with information in the case of an accident. For more information about the company, you can visit their website at www.northwestcollisioncentre.com or call them at 416-246-9666. If you know of a company that provides great products or amazing service, please send us an email to sqmpicks@sqm.ca. Thanks for watching and look for another episode of SQM Thumbs Up shortly.